If you're dealing with a dishwasher that's just not cleaning as effectively as it used to, there's a good chance the spray arms might need some attention. Over time, food particles, mineral deposits, and grease can clog the tiny holes in these spray arms, reducing the water pressure needed for a good wash. Let's go over how to clean dishwasher spray arms so you can get your machine back to optimal performance and ensure your dishes come out spotless. To begin, you'll want to make sure the dishwasher is completely turned off for safety. Next, open the door and remove the bottom rack to give yourself room to reach the spray arms. Most dishwashers have two spray arms, one at the bottom and another under the top rack, though some may also have a third arm on the ceiling of the dishwasher. Start by gently removing the lower spray arm. Typically, this can be done by simply pulling it up and off, though some models may have a small screw or bolt to release it. Now, it's time to tackle the main task: how to clean dishwasher spray arms. Take the spray arm to your sink and use a toothpick or a small wire to clear out any debris from each tiny spray hole. These holes are essential for allowing water to flow freely, so make sure each one is completely clear. Once you've done this, rinse the spray arm under warm water to wash away any loosened particles. For deeper cleaning, soak the spray arm in a mixture of warm water and white vinegar for about 15 to 20 minutes. This will help break down any mineral buildup that could be clogging the holes. After soaking, give it another good rinse and check each hole one more time to ensure nothing remains inside. Once you're satisfied the lower arm is clean, you can repeat this process with the upper spray arm. In most cases, you can remove it by unscrewing a nut or by gently pulling it down. Follow the same steps as before, carefully clearing each hole, rinsing and soaking if necessary. Now that you know how to clean dishwasher spray arms, you're well equipped to keep your machine working efficiently. After both spray arms are fully clean, reattach them by placing them back in their original spots and securing them as needed. Make sure each arm spins freely before closing the door and running a quick rinse cycle. This final rinse will help flush out any leftover debris and ensure the spray arms are working correctly. Maintaining the spray arms is an important part of keeping your dishwasher in top shape. By knowing how to clean dishwasher spray arms, you can avoid common problems like leftover food particles on dishes or inefficient cleaning cycles. Regularly checking and cleaning these parts every few months will go a long way in extending the life of your dishwasher and ensuring you always get the best possible results with every wash. If you still experience issues even after cleaning the spray arms, it might be time to look at other areas of the dishwasher or consult with a technician.